Get ready on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. We shall be lucky if we get any money for doing the job. Maybe the lunch can be given on a different day. A talk was to be given on the topic feeding the family. Eva was talking of going to Manitoba in May. If they wish to make any money, they will have to do the job in a different way. The wood was too thick. It was an inch in width. So we had to ship it back. We wish to know if it will make any difference to them if we ship the load of coal today. The change may be put into effect in May. We have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, but they have a different way of looking at it. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, we shall ask them to come in to see us.